So, as we kick off this special evening filled with excitement, talent, and celebration, what better way to set the stage than with a performance that symbolizes joy, energy, and enthusiasm? To mark the beginning of our journey tonight, we have an electrifying welcome dance performed by one of our very talented student, Rudya from grade 5. With grace in every move and passion in every step, this performance is sure to captivate your hearts and set the tone for the evening. So without further ado, please put your hands together. Give a thunderous round of applause as we welcome Rudya from grade 5 on stage. Are you all excited to see her performance? So without further ado, let's have the performance.